Chim by Chef Noom in Malaysia, we are trying to make all the authentic of Thai cuisine, bring it here, but we elevate into a different level. The first year I opened the restaurant, I driving myself to see how can I make something different. You know, when I try to create something, that means you go into the future. So I create a lot of things. I make so many dishes and people said, it's like that, it's like this. So I was like, okay, I failed. How about I need to go back in times. So I need to study and look back to learn and more. And then I found the lost recipe is something very different, very unique. I will travel you back. This is the way of people eat in about 200 years ago. I have to give Madame Song Jin 100% credit. She's the one who created this dish to serve King Rama II. I studied, then I look at the recipe, I was like, how can you create? We never have the rice in Tom Yum. How can these things that go in there? I was like, why? Because the starch from the rice, it helped to thicken up the soup. Second things, it helped to kill the smell of the fish. And then she put the smokiness of the burnt tomato, burnt shallot. We have a lot of talking about how come you put the tomatoes, we never have it. But the original recipe is what's written down. But nobody follow it because I think it takes so much time. We don't change any recipe, we only change the techniques. I learned from her, it's not about cooking good, it's about cooking with a care, cooking with a love, about for who you serve. She served the kings, and then I take this to serve my customer as a king. You not try to copy every country, every food, but bring all this just to inspire you in your own cuisine. This is what clarity means to me.